Good evening everyone, so we're at a golden oldie today. It's a Rover 75. It's a 1.8 petrol engine. I think they call this the K series engine. Anyway, it's crank, no start. So the fault codes are a P1232 fuel pump relay short circuit to battery and a P1520 oil gallery temperature sensor. There is a codes in the scan tool for relay and something else I can't remember. We'll just show you when it's cranking over here. Oops. You can see there's an RPM reading. See that? So to me we've got an input there, and what I don't hear is the fuel pump running. So we'll show you that. Here at the fuel pump, you can see the white and purple wire is power, and the black thick wire is ground. So I'll just do my bypass test on my step on scan tool. We'll go on. You can see there, we've got power going to the thing. And I checked the black wire and it's good as well, so we've got ground. And I gave it the beans, I gave it my power probe to see if the pump would start, but it does not start. So we need a pump for this car. There we go. There's a black wire in the middle, and there's the white purple wire in the middle as well. So I'll just show you that. So the black wire has a ground, and just put that in there. When I do my relay control, sorry about this, it's a bit rushed. Functional tests, actuator test, fuel pump relay. Go on. There you go. Needs a fuel pump. Cheers.